Hey guys, I'm finally doing one of those Vogue things that I see everyone do that I've always been too late and too unorganized to do myself, but I'm on time for once. How about that? How about that? I was just scrolling through YouTube the other day, as you do, and I came across one of the new, whatever they're called, the Beauty Secrets videos that Vogue do, like little series, and Emma Chamberlain was on it. So I wanted to do it. I love watching things like this because I know I do some weird things when I do my makeup that I think is quite normal. So when I watch someone else doing their makeup, I'm like, oh, you do that? Okay, I'll try it. And sometimes you end up finding things that are very, very weird but work very, very well. So normally I see people using their AirPods with these. However, I'm a very unorganized person and I always forget to charge mine. So I'm just going old school today. So let's go. Let's see what she's got to say.
And my dream is coming true right now because I've always wanted to do one of these. So.
Oh, she's so cute, man.
Okay, so step one, I'm going to take the nearest headband I have and put it on.
Nearest headband you have? I mean, I have a lot. Bunny ears, slightly foundation stained bunny ears. Sweet.
Hydrating face mask. I do this probably 3 times a week, 4 times a week.
So this is kind of like her morning routine as well. So she starts off with a hydrating face mask. I don't have the one that she used. However, I love this one. Yes. It's a banana. Oh, I don't have a flannel. I'm gonna have to go and get one. Yeah, this stuff is like really hydrating. I'm always too lazy to do this before I do my makeup.
It's been 10 minutes. I'm washing this off.
Okay, it's been 10 minutes for her. It's been like 30 seconds for me. I'll wear this for 10 minutes and then we'll come back and my face will be magically cleansed, okay? Let's go. Why do my eyebrows do this? I swear no one else's eyebrows do this. My eyebrows actually have a fringe. I somehow look worse from doing skincare. Sick, okay.
Now I look like a newborn. Oh my god, my eyebrows.
Do the same.
First, we have this serum.
Serum, okay.
Some sort of snail.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I used to have a snail serum. I don't know where it went. I couldn't find it. But I do have this snail face mask, and generally sheet masks are made up of just like a whole load of serum in there. So I'm gonna just use some of that. Oh yeah, I see it in there. I see it. You see it? Yeah, you see it. That's like...
use a tea tree relief whenever I have a pimple.
Tea tree stuff. So again, I'm quite lucky. I don't really suffer with spots or anything, so I don't really have many kind of like spot sort of serum-y things. I do, however, have actual tea tree, which I know a lot of people say you're not supposed to use, but a lot of people say that you're not supposed to squeeze your face and that you're not supposed to, I don't know, do a lot of things that I do, but if you couldn't tell, I'm a rebel. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my spots. I love the smell of tea tree, but I also kind of find that it smells a little bit like cat pee after a while, so hopefully no one's gonna be smelling my face anytime soon.
Next, I'm using a niacinamide serum.
So next she's using a niacinamide serum. I have this one from Revolution. I never really used this, to be honest. It says niacinamide and 1% zinc. A little bit of that. Pat, pat, pat. So this stuff's supposed to be good at refining your pores.
This is literally my favorite product. This makes me look like a baby's butt on my face. It's a hemp oil. It's unreal.
Okay, hemp oil. Again, don't have that, but I have CBD. It's like the same plant, right? Oh, that tea tree is making my spot burn nicely.
When I wake up, I look like a vampire. I don't know what it is. I feel like while I'm sleeping, I just lose all of my life in my face. And
Same.
I can't explain it. This product truly brings the life back to my skin. I also try to avoid dairy.
I need
not
that.
only for my extremely, disgustingly sensitive stomach, but also because I think that dairy does make me crazy.
I relate so hard, but I also completely don't relate because my stomach hates cheese and my face hates dairy, but I still continue to eat more than I should. I just made a freaking giant baby bell on my other channel. If you haven't seen it, check it out.
I just recently started
Sunscreen.
wearing it daily. Wear sunscreen, please. Like,
Yeah.
don't be
Wear
like me
sun cream,
and start
everybody.
on your night.
I'm so glad. I mean, I'm not glad because I would also really like the sun. But sometimes I'm so grateful for the fact that we live in the UK and the weather sucks because I'm like, ooh, when I'm 90, you know, my memories are going to be of me stuck inside doing jigsaws, but I'm going to be like, oh, damn, I'm going to look so good. Also, Botox will probably help, but...
Personality, lip balm. This is huge.
Lip balm. Oh, yeah.
Kind of addicted to lip balm, and I have been for many years. Like, I always have a
Same.
lip balm on me, and if I don't, I'm begging someone to let me borrow theirs, which actually is not allowed anymore and never will be again. It's crazy that I ever did that.
Oh, it makes me sad. Like hearing that when people are like, oh, you know, I haven't rubbed in my sun cream properly. When people are like, oh, you know, and we'll never do that again, and I can't believe I used to share lip balms with people, and I'm like, listen, dude, I will share lip balm with my friends again when this is all over. I will. Not for a very long time, until we are like completely out there. I'm not gonna just be the person that's like, haha, give me your lip balm, give me your germs, like spread it. But I don't know why that makes me sad, that I'm like, oh, we can't cross-contaminate anymore. Like, remember those times when we could cross-contaminate? Great times.
I am a huge fan of the light makeup.
I'm not. Okay, so she's using that. It's like a tinted BB cream face oil thing. I'm gonna use this. I have some other things, but I used to use this all the time when I like literally, not even when I first started makeup, when I just first started wearing anything on my face. So it's the Garnier tinted BB cream. She rubs it together and she uses her fingies. Okay, this is how I used to apply this as well, actually. I don't really like applying tinted moisturizer and stuff with a brush. I find that it just looks a little bit streaky. So, oh, this feels good. This reminds me of simpler times when all I would do is wear a BB cream, bit of concealer, didn't even powder it down, didn't do anything like that, and I wore mascara, and that was kind of it. All the memes.
Concealer.
Let's use this one, the Stay Naked one.
It's funny because I'm starting to see people on TikTok draw on under eye bags or under
I saw that too.
Under eye bags are trending now. Under eye
I can get on board with that.
Now, count me in.
I've just put it like everywhere, okay.
Fingers.
So then she uses her fingers to apply it. I put way too much of this on, didn't I? Yep. I do really like blending things out of my fingers though. I do find that, I mean, it is a little bit more time consuming, but I do find it does just make everything kind of blend in a lot easier. And the slap, I like the slap. I genuinely do this. When I use my fingers, I slap it. So it doesn't say what powder she's using. She kind of uses a brush like this though for her whole face. So I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier powder. And yeah, basically do the same thing as she did. So she said forehead, under eyes, chin. It's looking a little bit dry, like around my nose and stuff, but otherwise I don't mind it.
We're bronzing now.
Ooh, I have that. Well, kinda. The Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. I think she's got like the coconut one or something. So she's just using this kind of fluffy brush and she doesn't seem to be taking too much. Do that there.
Highlighter.
Yeah. So she's using a Becca, I don't know which one it is, but it's like, I mean, it kind of just looks like champagne pop, so I'll just take that.
You don't need to put the whole bottle of foundation on your hand.
Is she shading me? It's funny because I'm actually planning on doing the foundation challenge after this video.
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. So I don't have it doesn't even say what palette she was using, but I do have my lovely friend Lois's Rose Metal palette. I also have this palette from The Balm, which has a few more browns in there, so I might just mix. So she's just taken a shade that's kind of like this one here called One and Only, and she's just buffed that all over her lid. I never wear warm tones on my lid. She's got such nice teeth.
I'll add in like a little bit of a color like this.
Like a dark brown.
Into my crease, but I make sure I don't overdo it because it's very easy to overdo it.
She seems to be using the same brush, so I'm guessing I might mix a little bit of Chivalry and Devotion. Just like together there.
I am not a big eyeliner person.
Good, me either. So she says eyeliner, but it kind of looks like she's just doing like her lower lash line a little bit.
Can you say hi to my cat?
Of course I do. Oh my god.
Okay, you're gonna go back outside. That's fun though, right? Okay. If you keep scratching on the door though, you're grounded.
That's literally my life whenever I'm trying to film.
Being a cat mom is not easy. Take a little bit of this.
Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
In between my fingers. And I just kind of lightly tap it on the inner corner. I feel like that really lightens my eyes up.
Okay, this is new to me. How did she get her little fingers in there? So then she uses a clear brow gel. I actually think it's a mascara. I think it's a Maybelline mascara. So I'm just going to use this like clear mascara from e.l.f. And yeah, she just like runs that through. I don't actually think she uses any pencils or anything. She's got that brow shape where it's like, you have the hairs underneath, but it looks good because it looks natural, whereas if I do that, like my eyebrows look even more just ridiculous.
Then I take a little bit of
give me brow
gel. The next few steps of this routine is just out of order, but that's
yeah, I'm down for that. Okay,
so
wipe all the excess product off her lip. I never do that because that's why I'm probably crusty all the time.
And then I take this plumping lip cream.
Oh, I have something like that. I don't have the cream, but I have the gloss from Buxom. Oh! Oh my god, what the hell is this stuff? It's like duochrome. I'm pretty sure she wipes it off in a minute though, so we're good. So then she just goes in with a Milani blush. This one is in the shade Luminoso.
Oh my god, this eyelash curler is so gross. But I've had it for so long. It's just the only one I've ever found that I like.
Do I have any I don't have any disgusting eyelash curlers quite like hers. I used to. Damn it, I should have saved them for this video. I never curl my lashes. I find that like, I can't even get them in. This lip gloss looks so nuts.
Then we have my mascara that literally is the coolest shape. Look at it.
I don't have a mascara that's as cool of a shape as that, so I'll just go in with this one from NARS. Ooh, maybe I need to curl my lashes though, because that mascara works really well with that. Normally I don't like it when my lashes are just like a bit more up, but this I kind of dig. Mascara all over my eyelids. Okay, she's on the bottom as well.
2021 is the Twiggy lower lash line year.
Say no more. You want Twiggy? I'll give you Twiggy. I always downplay my bottom lashes just because they are so long, but Emma wants Twiggy. I'll do that. Okay, so then she took this off.
Lip liner.
I need to sharpen mine.
I've always neglected my lips, but I feel like they actually pull together a full...
I don't think she uses this one. I think she uses Pillow Talk, but whatever. So she adds some lip liner, and then she goes in with, again, they've linked the Charlotte Tilbury gloss.
What do you think?
I think you look cute as hell. Why does she look like that? And I just look like I've done my makeup in a rush. This is not my usual look at it. I feel like it's so warm and it's glossy and I'm just like, oh my god. My eyebrows aren't even filled in. Let's take it off, that's it.
I did just go brunette. Dry shampoo, stop.
See, for once my hair is actually freshly washed, so I'm gonna skip out on the dry shampoo today.
Brown hair, it's hard to use dry shampoo because it really just shows up.
She looks cute as hell. I really like that makeup look on her. I don't dislike it on me. I feel like I don't look like a different person, I look exactly the same. I just feel like the warm tones on me, they just don't do it for me. I feel like I just look very plain when I use warm tones. Oh, I can take my thingy out now. I'm actually kind of surprised at how decent that BB cream looks with like powder and stuff. Like, I would like a bit more coverage right now because my skin's been playing up a bit recently, but I quite like it. I didn't understand the whole like thingy on the inner corner of her eye. That just made me look like I said, like I was crying highlighter. But you know, this was fun. I got to try some products I haven't used in a while. I got to try a few new techniques. And I got to watch Emma Chamberlain for 13 minutes just being cute and just being a cool dude. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. Do you like the warmer tones on me or do you still kind of prefer the cool ones? Nothing will ever make me stray from the cool tones. I'm sorry, nothing ever will. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you guys enjoyed this video, you all know what to do by now. Please do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And like I said, if you want me to do more of these or more similar kind of styles, if you want me to do more like celebrity makeup tutorials or something, let me know. I'll do it. Basically, my face is yours. Whatever you want me to do with it, within reason, I'll do it. But anyway, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I don't know why there's like a new thing that I do. I'm like... Bye.